Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video we will learn how to format a flash drive which has a Google operating system Flex on it. I mean, if you have created a recovery media or installation media for Google operating system Flex, uh, the way to format that flash drive will be little different. You cannot simply format it by right clicking and format. You will have to use command prompt to format that flash drive. So if I show you, like if we go to my computer, I mean this PC, you will see your C drive, and if you have any external drive apart from that flash drive and CD DVD drive. Now when we see that flash drive which we have created as a recovery media will show you two options. It will not even show you the actual space on it. Like in my case, I have a 8 gigabyte flash drive which I have used to create the installation media, and it shows two options over here, and even the space shows 31.7 MB free of like about 63.8 MB. So that is not the right thing because I have an 8 gigabyte flash drive. So I'll close this and we'll open disk management. So simply type in the search box disk management and click on open on create and format hard disk partitions. So that is the drive we are going to format. The reason it was showing less space because there are partitions created in this flash drive. So at the bottom left corner type CMD and click on run as administrator. If you don't see this option, you can simply right click on command prompt and then you will get the option to run as administrator. Click yes on user account control. Now we will have to type some commands. I'll give you the commands in the description box. So first type diskpart and press enter. Now type list space disk and press enter. Now we will have to select the disk which we want to format. In my case, it is disk number 2. In your case, it might be a different number. So please make sure you select the correct disk number. Otherwise, it may format your hard drive or any external drive which you have connected to your computer. So I will select disk 2. And press enter. Now we will type clean to clean it and press enter. So our flash drive is cleaned now and we can close the command prompt from here. Now simply right click on the disk 2 and click on new simple volume, because now also you won't be able to use this drive until unless you format it using NTFS or FAT32 file system. Click on next, click on next again, click next, select NTFS file system and make sure you have a check here, perform a quick format, and click next and click on finish. Just wait for some time. Okay, now your flash drive is ready to be used. If you go to my computer again, you will see there will be only one option for your flash drive, and it will show you the actual size. So that's it in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again. You have a great day. Bye bye.